Hi everyone and welcome back to IELTS Prep by LeapScholar. My name is Soumya and in this video I have 10 amazing idioms for you that you all must use in your IELTS test. So these 10 idioms can help you boost your band score and you can apply them in any situation because they are the most commonly used ones. So before I begin, I would like all of you to quickly subscribe to our channel if you are new here because we'll keep on making these informative videos related to IELTS and spoken English for all of you. And of course, if you like this video, then do not forget to hit on the like button. Now, without any further delays, let's start with the video. The first idiom that I have for you is to have a whale of a time. So, the meaning of this particular idiom is to have an exciting time, and you can use this idiom in almost all the questions that the examiner is going to ask you. So, for example, if the examiner asks you, describe your hometown, then you can definitely say that if you visit my hometown, you are going to have a whale of a time. Or if the examiner would ask you to describe your birthday or to describe any occasion, any festival or any vacation, then in these cases also you can definitely use this particular idiom. Now moving to the next one. To be like a dog with two tails. So whenever a dog wags his tail, that means it's very happy, right? So imagine a dog having two tails and wagging both of them. That means the dog is super happy. So this particular idiom is also used to express immense happiness. Now, you all can use this idiom also to describe any wonderful event or occasion or festival, or whenever you meet your best friend, how do you feel? So to express your feelings also you can use this particular idiom. So you can say, every time I see my best friend, I'm like a dog with two tails. That means I feel immense happiness and immense pleasure whenever I meet or see my best friend. So this is how this idiom can be used. Now I'll be sharing some idioms that you can use to express anger, or if you're not feeling good, if you're not felt good at some particular time, or if you felt annoyed, or to express something that you don't like to do. It makes my blood boil. To express something that makes you very angry, you use this idiom. Or whenever you are describing an event which you did not like, or whenever you felt annoyed at any particular time, you can say, it made my blood boil. Or if you are talking about a particular person, you can say, he or she makes your blood boil. So in this particular way, this idiom can be used. But we have alternatives also. Sometimes if you feel annoyed, you can say, it drives me up the wall. Or, I hit the ceiling. So these idioms can be used interchangeably whenever you feel annoyed, or you are not happy about something, or you feel angry. So yes. Now, moving to the next category. Now, I'll be sharing some idioms with you that you can use to describe a person. So the examiner can ask you to describe your favorite family member, any of your friends, your best friend, your relatives, or yourself. So these idioms definitely can help you to describe a person. So in this category, the first idiom that I have for you is couch potato. So somebody who likes to spend a lot of time on internet or scrolling phone, in that case, you can call that person a couch potato. You can say, my uncle is such a couch potato, or my best friend is such a couch potato. So yes, this idiom can be used in that way. The next one that I have for you is fresh as a daisy. So if you meet somebody who's very lively, attractive, and you feel amazing spending time with that person, and he or she makes you feel super energetic, for that person you can use this idiom. The idiom is fresh as a daisy. You can use it in a sentence like, my sister has been traveling for almost 24 hours now, but she's still fresh as a daisy. So this is how this idiom can be used. Now moving to the next one. Eager beaver. Eager beaver is used to describe a person who's super enthusiastic and hardworking. So if you have a hardworking friend or a family member or anyone that you meet who is a hardworking person, you can use this idiom eager beaver to describe that person. So I hope you all are enjoying the video till here. And now I'll move to my last category. Now I'll be sharing some idioms with you to express your opinion. Expressing opinion is definitely very required in your IELTS speaking test. So whenever the examiner would ask you any kind of question or he would ask you for your opinion, especially in part 3 of speaking, you can use these idioms there. So the first idiom in this category is to my way of thinking. So whenever the examiner would ask you for your opinion, especially in part 3, you can start any statement by saying, to my way of thinking, we should do this. To my way of thinking, it should be a massive waste of money. To my way of thinking, etc, etc, etc. So this is how you can start any statement and then go forward by telling your opinion. Now moving to the next idiom in this category. And of course, the last one for this video. This is, I'm in two minds about this. So whenever you are unsure about something, you can say, I am in two minds about this. On one hand, ... on the other hand, ... and then you can give your opinion for both the cases. So yes, these were the 10 most commonly used idioms in IELTS, and of course you can fit these in any kind of questions that the examiner is going to ask you in your speaking test. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video till here, and if you have any other idioms that I should add in this list, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.